Hello, welcome to Skill Hub. In today's video, I'll be showing you 10 AI tools that will save you hours of work. If today's your first time of stumbling into my channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and share. And also do click on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get to see it. Alright, without much ado, let's dive into what we have for today.
10 AI tools that can save you hours every week in 2026. What if you could save several hours every week simply by letting AI handle some of your repetitive work? In 2026, AI isn't only about generating images or answering questions. It can help summarize information, organize tasks, write emails, transcribe meetings, research topics, create content, and automate workflows. So today, let's explore 10 AI tools and AI tool categories that can help you save time every week. Number 1 is ChatGPT. You can use it to create drafts, summarize information, brainstorm ideas, organize plans, analyze text, and turn complicated tasks into simple step-by-step instructions. Number 2 is Google Gemini. It can help with research, writing, brainstorming, summarization, and productivity tasks, especially if you already use Google's ecosystem. Number 3 is Notebook LM. If you regularly work with PDFs, documents, notes, or research material, you can use it to interact with your own sources and quickly understand large amounts of information. Number 4 is an AI meeting assistant. Instead of manually writing notes during every meeting, AI can transcribe conversations, summarize key points, and identify action items depending on the tool you use. Number 5 is an AI email assistant. AI can help summarize long email conversations, draft replies, improve wording, and organize information so you spend less time writing repetitive messages. Always review important emails before sending them. Number 6 is an AI research assistant such as Perplexity. Instead of opening dozens of search results just to understand a topic, AI-powered research tools can help you explore information and identify relevant sources more quickly. However, always verify important claims using reliable original sources. Number 7 is Canva with AI-assisted design features. If you regularly create social media posts, presentations, thumbnails, posters, or marketing graphics, AI-assisted design can help you move from a blank page to a usable starting point much faster. Number 8 is an AI video editing tool. Automatic captions, transcription, background removal, editing assistance, and other AI features can reduce the amount of repetitive work involved in creating videos. Number 9 is an AI automation platform. This is where AI can save serious time. You can connect applications so that repetitive actions happen automatically. For example, a new customer form could add information to a spreadsheet, send a confirmation email, and create a follow-up task without you manually doing each step. Number 10 is an AI writing and editing assistant. It can help improve grammar, clarity, spelling, and tone, which can reduce the time you spend rewriting emails, documents, and other professional content. But here's the biggest mistake people make. They try to automate everything. Don't. Start by finding tasks that are repetitive, predictable, and time-consuming. Those are usually the best candidates for automation. If a task takes only 2 minutes once a month, don't spend 5 hours building an AI workflow for it. Look for tasks you repeat every day or every week. Also remember that saving time doesn't automatically mean becoming productive. If AI saves you 2 hours and you spend those 2 hours scrolling social media, you haven't improved your productivity. Use the saved time for important work, learning, exercise, family, or whatever actually matters to you. And always review AI output. AI can make mistakes, misunderstand instructions, or produce incorrect information. Be especially careful with financial information, legal documents, medical information, confidential business data, and important professional communication. The smartest approach is simple. Identify one repetitive task, choose one AI tool, test it for a week, measure how much time it saves, and then decide whether it's worth keeping. You don't need 100 AI tools. You need a small toolkit that actually makes your life easier. AI isn't valuable because it can do thousands of things. It's valuable when it helps you spend less time on unnecessary work and more time on the things that matter. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more AI tools, productivity hacks, automation ideas, business strategies, and practical AI tutorials.